ship capital of the world has just welcomed its newest, biggest adventure yet. Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas sailed into the United States at the beginning of November and docked at Port Miami. It is the largest cruise ship in the world. It's been designed to be perfect for nearly every type of traveler. But will it really be a game changer? Well, here's everything you need to know about the massive ship. The Symphony of the Seas, as it's been named, is 1,188 feet long. That's longer than the Eiffel Tower standing upright. It has a total of 18 decks and can hold up to 6,680 guests. That's plenty of adventure-loving cruisers on one ship. You'd best believe there's space for everyone. Altogether, there are 24 pools, water slides, and flow riders. Race a friend down the ultimate abyss. At 10 stories high, it is the tallest slide at sea. Or catch a show at the Aqua Theater. Acrobats dive into the deepest pool at sea. Take a walk through Central Park. The ship has 7 neighborhoods. Symphony of the Seas Central Park has more than 20,000 lush tropical plants and 52 trees. You might even forget that you're on open seas. For ocean views from above, zipline 82 feet across the ship from 9 decks high. Finish the adventure with climbing a rock wall that stands 40 feet high. Stroll along the boardwalk and visit Sugar Beach, where they serve 161 different types of candies. Kids will never want to leave, but not to worry, there's plenty more on the boardwalk to keep your sweet little children occupied. There's an arcade, a carousel, and face painting with live music. Take them to Battle for Planet Z for glow-in-the-dark laser tag. Let's move on to the adult fun. The massive cruise ship features impressive high-tech bars, like this self-rising bar. The Rising Tide bar lets you drink your way to the top. Head over to Bionic Bar to get served by robot bartenders. They serve more than 1,000 drinks per day. With over 42 bars and lounges and 22 restaurants, your stomach will be satisfied. Symphony of the Seas features the ultimate family suite. The 2-level suite has air hockey, table tennis, mini golf, and a chalkboard wall. Move from the upper level to the lower level by going down the giant slide.